This is the most complete free AI toolkit guide on this channel. Every category, every use case, every tool I actually rely on. Bookmark this one. It is the single reference for free AI tools in 2026. Over the past 2 months, this channel has covered dozens of individual tools one by one. Today I am pulling everything into a single organized guide, by category and by use case. One honest rule before we start: every tool on this list has a free tier. Every tool also has at least one limitation I am going to tell you about directly. No surprises after you sign up. First, writing and communication. Claude's free tier at Claude.ai handles long-form writing, research, analysis, email drafting, and content strategy. No credit card. Sonnet is the free default and strong enough for most tasks. ChatGPT's free tier serves as a secondary option with a different reasoning style. Useful when you want a second perspective on a piece of writing or a different tone. Grammarly's free browser extension catches grammar and clarity issues in real time across every website and editor you use. The premium features are not essential for most writers. The Hemingway app at hemingwayapp.com is completely free in the browser. Paste any text and it highlights sentences that are too long, passive voice, and adverb overuse. A simple, effective readability check. These 4 tools handle every writing need without any subscription. For those who previously paid for dedicated AI writing tools, the annual saving can run into hundreds of dollars. Second, visual design. Canva AI 2.0, which launched in April 2026, is the primary free design tool. Social media graphics, presentations, thumbnails, and basic video, all in one interface. Around 50 AI credits per month on the free plan. Adobe Firefly is available free at firefly.adobe.com. The honest limitations. The free plan includes only 25 generative credits per month, and outputs from the free tier are not licensed for commercial use. For personal projects and testing, it is useful. For paid client work, you need a paid plan. Inkscape is the free professional vector editor for logos, icons, and scalable graphics. Open source, available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. GIMP handles advanced photo editing, layer compositing, and image manipulation at no cost. The current stable release is the most stable the software has ever been. Together, these 4 cover the full design workflow for most creators and small businesses at 0 monthly cost. Third, development tools. Cursor AI on the free hobby plan gives 2,000 code completions and 50 premium AI requests per month. Write, debug, refactor, and explain code without leaving the editor. Free forever for the base plan. Replit runs in your browser with no local setup. The free starter plan covers learning, prototyping, and small projects. Development time caps at 20 hours per month on the free tier. Supabase on the free plan provides 500 megabytes of database storage, authentication for up to 50,000 monthly active users, and a gigabyte of file storage. One important catch: any project with no database activity for 7 consecutive days gets paused automatically. A simple scheduled ping every 3 days prevents this. Vercel's hobby plan handles deployment for unlimited projects with 100 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth, automatic security certificates, and custom domains. Free and permanent. GitHub handles version control and collaboration at no cost for public and private repositories. The complete development stack adds up to 0 monthly spending. Fourth, 3D and creative tools. Blender is the standard for professional 3-dimensional work. The current stable release, which arrived in March 2026, includes GPU rendering improvements, geometry nodes updates, and alignment with the VFX Platform 2026. The Extensions platform now hosts both free community add-ons and a new stock materials library, completely free and open source. The next major version of Blender, currently in public beta, arrives in July 2026 and will be a free upgrade for all current users. Meshy AI, now on its 6th generation. Released in January 2026, handles AI-powered 3-dimensional modeling from text or image prompts. The free plan provides 100 credits per month. 2 honest catches. Free plan models use Meshy's 5th generation for downloads, not the 6th, and free tier outputs carry a CC BY 4.0 license, meaning they are public and require attribution to Meshy. The Pro plan at $20 a month unlocks private ownership and commercial rights without attribution. TripoAI offers fast text-to-3D generation as an alternative with its own free tier for testing. DaVinci Resolve handles professional video editing, color grading, audio post-production, and visual effects at zero cost, used on feature films. The free version is the full product. Suno AI generates custom music from text prompts. The free tier allows around 50 credits per day. One important disclosure: commercial use of Suno-generated music requires the Pro plan at $8 a month. If you plan to monetize content using Suno tracks, the free tier does not cover that use case. Fifth, business operations. Notion's free plan gives individual users unlimited pages and content blocks for notes, project management, and knowledge organization. Important clarification: AI features are not part of the free plan. The Workspace is free. Notion AI requires the business plan at $20 per user per month. Use Claude's free tier for AI writing tasks and Notion's free Workspace for organization. Wave handles free invoicing, expense tracking, and basic financial reporting. The honest catch: bank reconciliation and automated transaction importing require the Pro plan at $19 a month. For a freelancer primarily needing to invoice clients and track income, the free path is sufficient. Calendly's free plan provides one active booking event type with unlimited one-on-one meetings. For a solo freelancer or operator, one booking link covers most scheduling needs. Multiple event types simultaneously require the standard plan at $12 a month. Google Workspace's free tier, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Drive, provides email and document infrastructure at no cost. The business version with custom domains and admin controls starts at $6 per user per month. Perplexity AI answers research questions with citations to the original sources. The free plan has a daily limit on the number of searches using advanced models. Pro at $20 a month removes those limits. For occasional research, the free tier is useful. Writing, design, development, 3D and creative, business, 5 categories, more than 20 verified tools, every limitation disclosed. The total monthly cost at the free tier, $0. Every tool on this list has a paid upgrade path that becomes worth it once your usage grows past the free limits. Share this with anyone still paying for tools that now have a free alternative. See you next time.